Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox. This experience is restricted on your phone. To know how to fix or how to solve this experience is restricted on your Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Then this page we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Roblox. Here in this window of app info, you will go to click first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then we can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 30 seconds, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.